Hello mate, how's it going? I just wanted to make a quick video because this whole internet thing is quite new for me. Like, I've never really made videos like this, and I hope that you would respond. Like, feel free to comment. It'd be great to hear back from you and to hear a little bit about you and what you like as well. So yeah, a bit about me. My name's Matt. I'm 29 years old, and I was raised in West Sussex, which is a county in the south of England. It's about maybe an hour south of London, and it's just up from the south coast as well. So I'm about half an hour north of that. And yeah, I lived in that area pretty much my whole life. It's very country based. I was riding motorbikes, and yeah, to be honest, there wasn't really much to do. And so I got into music from quite a young age, and I started playing drums when I was 10 years old. Just kept on playing. I was in my room just playing drums all the time. And that very quickly led into doing shows and recording, and I was always pushing my music as far as it could go. But within music, music is a hard industry to be involved in. I needed to find something else. And I knew that I liked working with people. And I ended up working in the leisure industry. I was doing fitness and personal training. And yeah, I was, from a young age, from my late teens, I was always coaching people and helping people, teaching people how to play tennis, football, golf, yoga, meditation, general fitness coaching. So I was always working with people. And that was really important to me because it's the best way to be happy in myself. Like, you do things to help people and it makes you feel good. Like, and that's what I've always liked doing, is just helping people, really. And so yeah, my life kind of went down that road. And then a few years ago, I basically ended up meeting my now wife. I met Fernanda, and everything changed. My whole life changed. At the time, I was doing seasonal work, so I was traveling abroad for a season and then coming back home. And that was quite a hard life. It was quite complicated, and it wasn't really long term. And then I met Fernanda, and everything changed. And now, long story short, we both live here in Brazil, and I basically had to figure out what to do with myself professionally. I knew that I was good at helping people. Yeah, the natural progression, I kind of found myself in a place where I'm surrounded by potential English language learners, and I was helping people to pick up English, and it was just a natural progression, really. And so yeah, now I'm pushing my online thing. I'm running the website. I've got englishwithmatt.com, and this is a real space that I'm trying to create for people like you who want to practice speaking, maybe just want to meet some new people. So I've put the forum on the website. The forum is a place where you can go and you can talk. It's typing. It's not speaking. It's just a place for you to practice. In terms of specifically teaching English, it's really been since I came to Brazil, which is about 16 months ago. I kind of learned everything that I needed to get me going. And then now I really just apply my people skills, helping people to understand the language, really, because there's lots of different ways that you can explain yourself. And I really feel that I can help you to express yourself in English in a fun way, like an interesting way. Like, it doesn't have to be boring. You don't always have to say the same things over and over again. It doesn't have to be like that. So my job here is to really try and help you to express yourself in a nice way that sounds cool, that sounds good, and is also interesting for the people that you're talking to as well. So yeah, that's me. I'm here to help you, and it would be great to try and hear from you, hear about what you like, what you're interested in, where you're from. So feel free to send me some comments, send me a message. You can email me, mattgale.learn@gmail.com. Also, head to the website, get involved with the forum, speak to us on there. And yeah, keep practicing. The most important thing is for me to know about you and your skills, what you know, what you don't know. It would be great for you to just put a comment below. Let me know what you want help with, if there's a specific element of the language that you want help with. Or if you just want to listen, let me know. Tell me if you just want to hear me speaking and get used to my accent, because that's very important as well. It's important to listen to an English speaker. Yeah, so whoopa. So yeah, send me a message, and that's me. I don't think there's anything else to add.